everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So we're going to do a Dollar General haul. I'm going to show you what I got. I'm not going to show you multiples of what I got, but I will show you at least one of everything. So you all, let's get into it. Hi everybody, it's Katrina. It's the Crafty Corner. Alright y'all, so if you are new here, thank you for coming. If you are an oldie but goodie, thank you for coming back. All my newbies, go ahead and subscribe, share the channel out, and thank you for becoming a Crafty Club member. We appreciate you being here. Alright, so I went to two Dollar Generals, and this haul is spread over two Dollar Generals, y'all, and picked up their sales items. And some of the things that I'm going to show you, I haven't seen on anyone's live yet, but these things are on sale. And if you're doing Father's Day's baskets, these are definitely good finds for Father's Days. Car baskets are very popular for fathers, if you didn't know that and you're new. So all you newbies that are going to be doing Father's Day, if this is your first Father's Day, just know that car baskets are a winner. Alright, so I'm going to start off with some Mother's Day items that I picked up. And I picked up several of them because there was a lot of them left that I will use in my Mother's Day baskets. I will also use these in my sip and paint sets. For some reason, they're kind of gaining popularity right now. Alright, so first one is going to be the stepping stones. Alright, these are the stepping stones, and they had the hearts, the butterflies, and the rainbows. And I picked up, I probably have about 20 of these because they were on sale at Dollar General, marked down 75% off and then 50% off of that. So yes, I did pick those up. Alright, some other things at Dollar General that I picked up too were these beautiful planters. Alright, which will also be part of my Mother's Day for next year, are sip and paint sets, because they can paint and plant some flowers. Alright, these are really cute. I picked up about 12 of these. Alright, so that's what they look like. Alright, and they are a part of Mother's Day. Alright, now my daughter, I told you all before, she's doing baby sets, baby gift sets, and they had a lot of baby stuff on sale, so I took advantage of that to get her some inventory for her baby gifts. Alright, and this is one of the items that was on sale. It is a rattle called Crib Mates Twist and Shake Rattle. Alright, we got several of these for her babies. We also got several pacifiers for her baby sets. And they had the Johnson's baby soap. This is the smaller bottle, but it's okay because it's going to go in little baby sets, newborn sets. They had these on sale as well, so I picked up all of these that they had on the sales shelf. I didn't see any in the back. Now the other items on the sales shelf were these. Alright, these are the Joyworks. This is the Gentle Facial Cleanser. Alright, it was on sale. Also on clearance. And then half off that price. Alright, and this is the Joyworks Daily Body Lotion. Alright, so don't sleep on these. They are also on sale. This is the lotion. And I have another one, which is the skinny blue one, in a bag, y'all. I gotta find it. Well, not find it. I gotta go through those other bags back there and get that one. I'm not sure what the skinny blue one is. I just know it is Joyworks. And I know the fat square one is lotion, but the skinny blue one like this, I have to get that and see what that is. Alright, so that's what I've gotten so far from Dollar General. Alright, now these are $1. Y'all can find these on the dollar shelf. Then I have I only got one because I only have one set of the Arm & Hammer This is the Simply Fresh body wash. And I will put that concept together. Now the other items that are on sale that y'all don't sleep on are going to be the Son of a Gun STP items. Alright, this is glass cleaner. Alright, these are the STP wipes. I got several of these because they were on clearance. And they were half off clearance. Rain-X. Alright, is on clearance. It's half off of that clearance price. Alright, and I picked up all of these that they had to go into some car baskets for the dads. So remember I said car baskets are a winner for Father's Day. Especially those dads that their car is everything. Okay. Now I also picked up these Mother's Day mugs. Alright, and these were the only two varieties that they had, but I picked up all of the ones that they had. Alright, and these were $1 and some change. Alright, so these are very, very cute little items that I will use for Mother's Day, for a mom's birthday. This one says, a mother is kind, loving, gentle, supportive, and wise. And this one says, you're the most wonderful mother in the world. Alright, so Mother's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, from kids to their moms. Alright, now this is also on clearance and half off. Alright, so this is the Vaseline Deep Moisture Body Cream. That's what it looks like. See the sales price there is, the clearance price is $3.75. It is half of $3.75. Alright, today's the last day for that sale, I do believe. Don't quote me on that one. I'm not sure when that sale ends. But the Vaseline Deep Moisturizing Body Cream, as well as the Men's Suave. This is the Charcoal and Warm Ginger 3-in-1 Deep Cleansing Shampoo, Conditioner, and Body Wash. Alright, it is also on clearance at my Dollar General for $3.75. So I paid half of $3.75 for these. Alright, and I cleared the shelf. I don't know how many that is because they're back there in the bag, but I wanted to bring at least one of everything to show you in that video. Alright, so the Suave 3-in-1 and the Vaseline Deep Moisture Body Cream. Alright, these will all go nicely in a men's basket. So make sure you check that clearance aisle for different items, because there's a lot of things on the clearance aisle that you can get for Father's Day that doesn't break the bank, okay? And then don't forget the car items, because those are also on sale at Dollar General, okay? These look real good in baskets, and like I said, car baskets are a winner. So thank you all for tuning in. I hope that this little haul here helps you, and I'll be coming back to you with some more hauls. So you all stay blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner Crafting.